Good day, everyone. Today we are talking about the role of ATP as an important carrier in the cell. Have you ever looked at a green leaf and wondered what is being made inside it and what is happening inside the leaf? Well, today I will explain it to you. Today we are looking at one of the most fascinating processes in biology, and it is known as photosynthesis in a plant. Photosynthesis consists of a tiny molecule known as ATP that has a huge job and plays an important role inside a leaf of a plant. But what exactly does ATP do in a plant that is so important? Think of it as the cell's energy currency. Just like money lets us buy what we need, so does ATP let cells pay for the energy costs of life. In photosynthesis, ATP is produced during the light-dependent reaction. When sunlight is available, it excites electrons in chlorophyll. Those electrons travel down the electron transport chain in the membrane of the cell. This movement pumps protons into the thylakoid space, creating a gradient. And that gradient powers ATP synthase. The enzyme spins like a turbine to make ATP. ATP is also found in the carbon cycle that is called the dark reactions. Here ATP provides the energy to turn carbon dioxide into sugars. Without ATP, plants couldn't build glucose, and without glucose, life as we know it wouldn't exist. What makes ATP so special is that it is always ready to use instantly. It is the bridge between capturing sunlight and creating food. And the sugars we made with ATPs help to fuel nearly every organism on Earth, including us. So, next time you see a green leaf, remember, inside, millions of ATP molecules are being made and spent every second powering the chemistry of life. ATP truly is the spark that turns sunlight into survival. Thank you for watching.